Welcome to the sharpest little sports sedan currently on the market. We have already tested the dual clutch auto version, so for this video we're looking at the 6-speed manual, which is actually the same price as the auto. Although the new 8-speed dual clutch auto is one of the best in the business in our opinion, it is so good to see a manual option still available. Such transmissions are fast becoming a thing of the past, and will soon become extinct altogether. The i30 Sedan N, or Elantra N as it is known in some markets, is one of a kind in Australia, in that it doesn't really have any competition. Not in terms of being a hardcore performance sedan, and one that features proper adaptive sports suspension, adjustable exhaust and limited slip differential, and big brakes with sticky tyres. We love the edgy design. It looks very modern yet also very aggressive, like it's just waiting to carve up a circuit. The black highlights are a nice touch too. As standard, you get a set of bespoke 19-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. Unlike on the hatchback, these measure 245/35 instead of 235. These help the auto version stand in as the quickest petrol Hyundai in the showroom, with a 0 to 100 claim of just 5.3 seconds. In Australia, the sedan is only available in premium trim, which means you get a leather interior, power driver's seat, and an optional sunroof. The i30 sedan is based on the K3 platform, which is newer than the K2 platform that underpins the current hatchback. And with that comes a fancy dashboard, incorporating a digital gauge cluster and 10.25-inch multimedia touchscreen. It's a great sized cabin, offering a good balance between spaciousness and practicality, yet it also feels sporty and intimate. Likewise, the rear seat area is big enough to support 3 adults. Well, at least in a more comfortable manner compared with the hatchback. There's no flip-down armrest, which is a bit disappointing, but climate vents and bottle holders in the doors provide some convenience. Boot space is very decent for this category of car, and you can flip down the rear seats. However, due to extra suspension braces, it is difficult to poke through bulky items. But at least the option is there for something like a surfboard or skis. Under the bonnet is the same 206 kilowatt 2-litre turbo as found in the firecracking hatchback, and Kona N for that matter. It produces a gnarly soundtrack in N mode, but just as impressive, peak torque is almost 400 Newton meters. That's the stuff that really shifts this thing along, in almost any gear. Speaking of which, the manual offers a nice shift action and relatively short throw between gears. Acceleration isn't quite as strong as the DCT Auto, simply because no human can possibly change gears as rapidly as a dual clutch box. Nonetheless, the manual is a lot of fun, especially on a windy mountain road, where you need to change gear a lot. We were surprised just how much grip this thing has even in the wet. The Pilot Sport 4S tyres are just outstanding. Obviously, the limited slip differential and the extensive suspension work that Hyundai has done also contributes. You can tell this car has been developed by true driving enthusiasts. This is what it goes like.